Happy Halloween. There's the dogs and a ghost of rags and a silver lake. In a summer lake, sometime there is a monster. What?
And sometimes the monster loves Halloween. And monsters aren't scary, are they sometimes?
No.
No.
And they aren't a way of a purple monster that will turn in any colors. And let's have a nice read.
And we all want to say happy Halloween to everyone on behalf of the Bulletproof Cash System team and family. We love you all, and we hope everyone's taking time out of their busy day. All I did today was play dress up with my son, trying to figure out what we're going to wear for Halloween. And it's a really blessing to be with the Bulletproof Cash System. And
there was a monster that was rice, and it turned to rain and turned to rice.
right, that was a good story. And I hope everyone enjoyed Joshua's story and has a great day. And I can't see right now, so I better go. Have a great day, everybody.